Hi there! In this part we are going to learn how to mark the task as favorite or unfavorite. Here's the button to add to bookmarks. If we press it, the start changes. And also the task will appear here in the favorites tab. So let's start. As usual, we create a task object, and using the copy with we change its favorite parameter to vice versa. You know that if the isFavorite is false, then the prefix exclamation mark makes it true or vice versa. And finally, in the test style file, we call the getAllTask event. Ready, let's test it. I've already marked the task 1 as favorite. And I marked the task 2. As you see, both tasks are also here in the favorites tab. Now I remove the task 1. And it's also removed from the favorites tab. You can see their stays on Firestore. That's very easy, isn't it? That's all for this part. Ta-ta for now!